Acuva's Strike platform is the perfect solution for OEMs. Inside Acuva's sleek modern design lies a highly advanced technology that provides long-lasting disinfection to keep your water safe and healthy. Acuva's patented technology uses UV LEDs and optical lensing to deliver an intense directed beam of UVC energy into flowing water. This intense collimated beam of UV energy inactivates waterborne pathogens directly, delivering superior disinfection with incomparable consistency. Acuva's intense beam technology works independent of surface properties, resulting in continuous high performance over time. This smart design ensures an energy-efficient and maintenance-free experience, eliminating excess LED heat. Acuva's Strike platform is the world's first and only modular UV LED water treatment system certified against NSF 55 and 372 standards. Optimize your cost of ownership and elevate your water and ice dispensing products to a new global standard with Acuva's UV LED intense beam technology. It's simply genius.